Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make an aesthetic theme divider because I was making it for my feed, so I thought I would record the process so you guys can see and learn. So I'm gonna add a few aesthetic pictures that I saved from Pinterest like that, add, and I'm gonna arrange them in a random order and show you guys after it's done. Now that I have done this much, I'm gonna add a shadow on all the pictures to give a more overlapping effect to it, so you can see that this picture is on this picture kind of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna add a shadow, like select each picture, ignore the dogs barking in my background. I'm gonna add a shadow like this and do this to all the pictures. So I'll pause this filming thing and show you how it looks after it's done. Now that I've added a shadow to all my pictures, it looks kind of like this, which I really like. And yeah, so now I'm gonna add a manip that I made of Miley Cyrus. I'm gonna add this manip. If you want a separate tutorial on how to do this thingy, then I can definitely make it. Just comment if you want one. So yeah, I'm gonna cut out and person. Now I'm gonna, because it looks very weird, I'm going to just modify it according to my likeness. So I'm gonna pause it and show you how it looks after that's done. So I'm done modifying the selection and it looks kind of like this without the background. I forgot that Miley's hand was here, so I had to do that as well. I'm just gonna do it quickly. There you go. Wait, that's kind of uneven. Yep, like that. So that's the selection that I have made. I'm gonna save this. Let me know if you want a tutorial on the manip. Now I'm gonna add a border, like not too thick, just thoda sa border, like just a little. Now I'm gonna add a shadow like this so that it looks overlapped or whatever. It's gonna decrease the blur a bit and the opacity. Yep, so that's that. Now I'm gonna save everything and put it into Polarr. Save that. I'm gonna go to Polarr. Also, this the filter I'm gonna use does not belong to me. It belongs to B Filters on Instagram. I think it's a private account, so you have to request it, but it's really popular, so I'm pretty sure if you have a fan page you already follow them. But okay, I'm just gonna see which looks better because I had a bunch of filters. So yeah, it looks really pretty. This looks really pretty. Yeah, this looks pretty too, but I like Superior more. So I'll just kind of unlike the rest so I don't get confused later, because that is pretty much what happens with me every time, and then I end up using a wrong filter for the wrong theme. So yeah, now this time we're gonna use Superior for this theme. This looks very pretty, honestly. I'm gonna save this picture and add my font to it in Phonto. Quickly, I'm gonna go to Phonto and add my fonts here and add my fonts. New theme. I'm gonna select one of my favorite fonts at the moment. Like I just use this font everywhere. It's one of my favorite fonts. It's called Bakso Sapi. Yeah, this is my favorite font at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna select a color, or should I leave it white? No, I'm gonna select a color. Style. No, there's two matching. This is also two matching. This is going. No, there's two matching. No, actually I can add a white stroke, then it'll look better. And the color can be a bit darker. Yep, perfect. Do I like this? Or should I do some other color? Yeah, I'm very confused. I'm sorry. On this. Yup. I mean, literally so good. chef's kiss. Okay, sorry, weird. I'm gonna add my watermark, Miley's muffin. Change the font to Kulbatica, I think. Yep. And I'm gonna add this here. I'm gonna change the color to white and change the blend to overlay. There we go. That's the watermark. Looks really basic, if that's what you want to call it. That's done, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna add this to a plain white background. Ignore the ad, just ignore the ad, I'm really sorry. And I'm gonna add this to a plain white background. Edit a photo, background. Where's white? Where the fuck is white? Sorry, white. PicsArt lags so much, it's so annoying. Fuck off. Yeah, I'm just gonna add this to a plain white background like that. I'm just gonna change the shape crop to curved edges because I like it that way. So yeah, without any borders. And then I'm gonna add a shadow to it again because I need an overlapping effect. PicsArt, can you stop fucking lagging? Anyway, now I'm gonna add a shadow like that, just a little less. Yep. Now I'm gonna save this. I'm so tired. Anyway, save. Not tired of editing, but like just generally tired. I'm gonna add a butterfly here or something like, you know, something nice because the side shouldn't be really boring. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna pause while I find something because I'll just add extra seconds to this video. So I filtered a blue butterfly to the color of my theme. Like just applied the same filter to the PNG form of the sticker. I'm sorry if you don't understand what I said, but yeah. So I'm just gonna decrease the blur because that looks horrible with transparent stickers. Yeah. So that's that. Once I'm done, like, wait, it's not looking in the center and it's looking too big, so I don't like that part of it. Yep, I'm done. Now I'm just gonna post them. It's as simple as that. I'll just show you how they look together. Don't save. White background. So you get an idea of how it'll look on your feed, or you can just check my feed, but that'll take a lot of time. So I'll just show you here before you can, you know, you take the pains to head to my feed and see how it looks. I'll just show you here. This is our theme divider, which will come in the center. These are the two butterfly squares which I just made, and that's how your feed will look. See, it looks so aesthetic. I really like the theme divider this time. I'm actually really proud of it, lol. Anyway, so that's that. I really hope you learned something from this tutorial and that you enjoyed it and that you will try it. If you try it, tag me. And yeah, the IB is mine, so please tag me if you recreate this. Like IC, theme divider IC. And this filter is somewhere there on B filters. The name of the filter is Superior, like you all already know. So go check it out. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.